update of an Air India flight that has now made an emergency landing, and this news that is now coming in is from Thailand following a bomb threat. This is an Air India flight from Thailand's Phuket to India's capital New Delhi that received a bomb threat and made an emergency landing on the island itself, as the airport authorities have been saying that passengers were escorted from the plane flight AI 379 in line with emergency plans and airports. At the Thailand official has been saying that there were around 156 passengers on board, and the bomb threat was received on board the plane, it said in a statement. And we are getting the information that the aircraft that took off from Phuket for the Indian capital but made a wide loop, Shivani, around the Andaman Sea and then landed back at the Thai island.
Well, indeed, there was a flight that was scheduled, and for that capital of India, they had headed at 9:30 a.m. in the morning with 156 passengers in it. But interestingly, the threat that has come of a bomb in the plane has come from within the restroom of the plane itself, and henceforth it was rerouted back to Phuket and has landed again over there. And now investigation has been initiated, and similarly announcement was made that due to such emergency, now they are heading back and they won't be coming to New Delhi airport at the moment of time. But it is being told that after inspecting the entire plane and crew and the luggage, thereafter again the plane will be able to move further and head back to its destination in New Delhi in India. But as we say that at 9:30 a.m. the flight had already taken off its route, and it was already reportedly said that due to this emergency call, it is being said that emergency landing protocol was followed. That was informed mid-air, and Phuket International Airport activated its contingency plan for the bomb threat, and immediately as it departed within the mid-air and landed in Phuket, again passengers were deboarded and entire plane was scanned thoroughly with dog squad and other bomb threat teams. Those monitor the situation. Similarly, now arrangements have been made for those passengers to wait for a while, and after the inspection the similar flight will be taking off, or else another flight will be managed for the similar 156 passengers. But now who called?
All right, that's the information coming as of now. What we are told, as Shivani is putting out the details of an emergency landing that happened of an Air India aircraft in Thailand following a bomb threat, and there are said to be around 156 passengers on board when the bomb threat, what is being said, was received inside the plane itself. Sabyasachi, do you have more details?
See, the Air India 379 makes an emergency landing in Thailand due to a bomb threat. Now, as per the sources, the threat was received from within the flight itself. Now, the flight was forced to make an emergency landing in Thailand, and it was coming from Phuket to Delhi, and the aircraft was carrying a total of 156 passengers, but the aircraft landed safely, and the authorities promptly initiated necessary security protocols, and the passengers were evacuated, and a thorough investigation is underway to assess the validity of the threat, and the officials have also assured that all the passengers and crew are currently safe.
All right. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for getting us that update. So this is an Air India plane that has made an emergency landing in Thailand following a bomb threat that it had received. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.